What is up, YouTubers? This is a 1997 F250 HD. Doing some modifications to it. Done quite a bit. Gonna throw some down on camera for you guys to see what was been done and to help you out. This truck has not been stopping well. It actually got into an accident because it's very hard to shut down. So we did the Hydro Boost setup on it, which is getting rid of the vacuum line and going to a hydraulic brake system, which turned out to be an awesome modification to this truck. It stops on a dime now. I didn't have to do the big brake kits and spend a lot of money. It was about $700 to $800 for the complete kit. It was a really nice kit. I will drop a link to show who did it and the guy went through. And if you got any questions when building a vehicle, call up whoever you're interested in buying a product from, talk to them. They'll be happy to give you advice. You waste a lot of money just trying to think you know what you're doing. These guys have been doing it for a long time, so just call them up, take their advice, and the truck build will go a lot easier. So let's get into a little bit about the Hydro Boost. Basically, it's a complete kit. Let's get the hood open here. Sorry, it's a little hard to do one-handed. So basically, you get rid of that big old vacuum booster and you get this nice Hydro Boost setup. You can do a bigger bore on this to get a better braking system. Mine hasn't come in yet. I'm waiting on it, so I'm still using the same factory reservoir, which it still stops awesome, man. It's unbelievable. This kit comes with all the fittings, the hoses, nice hardware. I was really happy with this kit. Then underneath, you tap into your steering box. Then they give you, it's hard to see, but right behind this line here is a T, and that sends the brake fluid steering fluid back to your reservoir. He gives you everything. These banjo fittings right here are awesome. It's a high pressure line. They go on awesome. You can adjust them to the size to make your whole kit. So this kit is very highly recommended for OSB to shut these trucks down. You can see I'm on decent sized rims and tires, and I usually pull trailers with this. So if you guys got any questions or comments, drop them below. And the next video we're going to do on this truck is going to be putting a 2019 bumper, which it's nice to have a second truck in my life, so I can take this bumper off of this truck and at least, hi Rox, sorry that's my dog, stick it on this truck for fabrication purposes before I go out and waste my money buying a brand new 2019 bumper and for some reason it don't work or don't look good. So like I said, like, subscribe to my channel. I also have a donation jar down in the links. Please donate. It helps build these trucks, and there's going to be a lot of things coming on this project. This truck is probably going to be lifted 10 inches to 12 inches. Some 26 by 14 rims and tires, maybe some 16s. We're going to do a full coilover suspension on it. The interior has already been half updated to 2016 F250, center console, switches. It's going to be dash swapped real soon. I'm going to have Zach do that. His link will be on this page. Guy does an awesome job. He knows what he's doing. I do a lot of electronics and I'm very good at it, but I think this dash swap is out of my league. So like I said, like, subscribe. Be talking to you soon, guys. Later.